Hello everyone, this is an unboxing video of the Oculus Rift and Touch VR. This is the main box having the Oculus Rift and these are the minimum requirements. This is the inner box and we have a provision to carry it around and the box is quite bulky. Okay, let's open it up. Tada! There we have the Oculus Rift with the sensors and the Touch VR headset. Okay, let's start with the Touch VR. It has a joystick, some buttons, one over here and one over there also. And we have a provision for battery. And this is a magnetic case. Okay, let's move on to the sensors. It's quite tightly packed. This is the sensor and there are instructions saying that we should not clean it using a liquid. And there you have this. And this is an USB 3.0 cable which is covered using a plastic cover. Let's keep it apart. There are some paperworks and this is a troubleshooting guide with some of the languages, and this is the Amazon bill. And we have another package which says let's get started. Let me open it up. We have two Oculus stickers, a cleaning cloth and an audio tool, and we have the batteries over here. Let me take them out. These are the batteries and they go right over here, and this is some kind of safety manual and there are tons to read. And we have another pair of them too. And let me take out the Oculus headset. It's quite securely covered. Okay, and this is the Oculus headset. Let me keep this apart for a while now. And these are the HDMI cable, and this is an USB 3.0. Okay, now coming to the headset, and there you have the lens. It's pretty premium content, and there you have the Oculus symbol. Hope it's visible. And you have cushions, and there you have the lens adjuster. And also we have an adjustment through which it will adjust for all kinds of head and speaker adjustments too. And that's all. Thank you for watching.